Today we're here at Wild World Animal Adventure Aquarium and Mini Golf in Branson, Missouri. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of the blacklight mini golf they have available. There's also a video I'm putting up with the aquarium and all of the animal adventures. If you want to see that, I'll link it below. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So the entrance to this mini golf is pretty cool. It's a tunnel, and one awesome thing about the mini golf here at Wild World is that there's black light for everything, and there's even some aquariums with aquatic animals in it, which is different than a lot of the mini golf I've seen throughout Branson. Branson is known for having mini golf everywhere. If you're not very familiar with it, it's kind of a nice, fun thing to do, and this indoor location is good for a couple of reasons. One, because it's only 9 holes, which if you have a family and kids, sometimes the 18 holes takes a little bit too long to get through. And then the other thing is, since this is indoors, it's great if there's a really hot day and you just need to take the family or yourself out to do some fun stuff. Everywhere you look, above you and on the ground, there's these huge animal creations that light up, so that's really nice too. This mini golf was really inexpensive. I think it was only $3 per person. We did go to the aquarium, like I said before this, so I don't know if that's an additional add-on or you could just come and do it for $3, but I think that's a lot less expensive than some of the places in Branson. Some might cost like up to $10 per person, so yeah, that's kind of nice. It was a very inexpensive choice to go have some fun while you're trying to find something to do during the day. This is a pretty cool part with the bridge, and then there's a lot of neat features above throughout the entire course. I like this turtle coming up here. If you do go to Wild World, there's a lot of hands-on animal adventures. Like, you can play with dingoes. You can also hang out with lemurs. You can go in this room and feed and pet the lemurs. You can feed the sharks, and I found that kind of nice. It's almost like a very large hands-on zoo compared to something that you just watch. It's very interactive in a lot of areas. So let's see, I think this is the 7th hole, and here's some of the, oh, this is the 9th hole. So this is the last hole here. It's kind of an uneventful last hole, but still it's a nice, inexpensive mini golf place while you're in Branson. I'll go ahead and link the entire Wild World Animal Adventure here. If you've ever been there, go ahead and let everybody know what you thought of it and tell us what your favorite thing to do in Branson is. I hope you liked this video. Until next time, bye!